Good morning, class 12. In accountancy class, today's our topic is debenture issued at premium and issue of debenture at discount. First of all, the topic is when the debenture are issued at premium is a situation when the debenture are issued more than its face value. Suppose it the face value of the debenture is 100, but it is issued at 105. So the debenture are issued more than face value of rupees 5, then it's a situation of debenture issued at premium. Let us understand this topic with an example. Here is an example number 4, right? And the statement is Rohan Chemical Limited Mumbai issued 1 lakh 10 lakh debentures of rupees 100 each at a premium of 10%. Face value of the debenture is rupees 100 at a premium of 10%. 10% किसका बेटे 100 rupees का. तो प्रीमियम कितना हुआ 10 rupees. Face value of the debenture is 100 and the premium is rupees 10. Payable as 40 on application, 70 on allotment, including premium, past necessary journal entry. First of all, all the application is to be received. So the first of all, the entry will be made for receiving the application. कंपनी ने इशू किए 1 करोड़ डिवेंचर्स और 100 रुपीज का एक डिवेंचर है. 40 rupees on application, 70 rupees on allotment. So the entry for receiving the application is bank account debit to debenture application account 1 crore multiplied by 40 crores, right? And the relation is application money received. After that, this application money is transferred to the debentures account and the entry will be made 10% debenture application account debit to 10% debenture account 40 crore and the narration is application money transferred to debentures. After that, we have to do the allotment. Allotment is with rupees 70, in which 10 rupees premium is included. So the allotment is 60 and 10 rupees is the premium. Entry for due the allotment is 10% debenture allotment account debit 1 crore multiplied by 70 crore to 10% debenture account 1 crore multiplied by 60 crore. तो 60 के अकॉर्डिंग डिवेंचर में ट्रांसफर हो जाएगा और 10 करोड़ के अकॉर्डिंग हमारा प्रीमियम में ट्रांसफर हो जाएगा. तो टू 10% डिवेंचर्स अकाउंट 1 करोड़ मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 60 करोड़ टू प्रीमियम अकाउंट 1 करोड़ मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 10 करोड़. Right? So the entry for this is the entry for due the allotment. After that, the allotment money is to be received and the journal entry for that is bank account debit to debenture 10% debenture allotment account with rupees 70 crore. Right? So student, this was the example number 4. इसी सीरीज में प्रीमियम का एक एग्जांपल नंबर 5 है बेटे. इसमें ट्रेडिशनल प्रोडक्ट लिमिटेड ने 2 लाख डिबेंचर इशू किए. 500 रुपीज का एक डिबेंचर है एट ए प्रीमियम ऑफ 10%. तो टोटल डिबेंचर की वैल्यू हो गई 550 में से 200 एप्लीकेशन के साथ है और 350 इंक्लूडिंग इन प्रीमियम विद अलॉटमेंट. एप्लीकेशन रिसीव हुई है 3 लाख. कंपनी ने इशू किया था 2 लाख डिबेंचर, लेकिन एप्लीकेशन रिसीव हुई है 3 lakh debenture. So the entry will be made first of all receiving the application money, bank account debit to 8% debenture account, 3 lakh multiplied by 200 application money, that is 6 crore. So entry will be made bank account debit to debenture application 6 crore application money received. Right? After that, the application money is transferred to share capital. Right? इसमें 8% debenture application account debit, that is 6 crore. to 8% debenture account 2 lakh multiplied by 500 3 crore to premium account 2 lakh multiplied by 50 1 crore to debenture allotment account 1 crore multiplied by 200 2 crore. So this is the entry when the application money is transferred to the debenture application account. After that, we have to do the allotment money. And the entry for doing the allotment money is debenture allotment account debit to 8% debenture account 2 lakh multiplied by 350. Right? 2 lakh multiplied by 350 7 lakh. Right? तो डिबेंचर को ड्यू करेंगे बेटे 7 लाख से. 7 लाख में से 7 करोड़ में से 1 करोड़ के डिबेंचर हमें ऑलरेडी प्रोरेटा की एंट्री के साथ मिल गए थे. राइट? सो द all the money is received, right? But deducted, extra money will be deducted from the 7 crore minus extra allotment money 2 crore. So the entry will be made bank account debit to 8% debenture allotment account 5 crore. So student, this was the topic of when the debenture are issued at a premium. Now the concepts when the debenture are issued at a discount. Discount when the debenture are issued at a discount means if the face value of the debenture is 100 but it is issued at 90, it is issued at 80, so 10 rupees less pay या 20 rupees less pay अगर debenture issue होता है तो हम उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Debenture are issued at a discount. At a discount means when the debenture are issued less than the face value, right? तो इसी कॉन्सेप्ट्स का क्वेश्चन करेंगे हम बेटे. देयर इज एन एग्जांपल नंबर 7. In this example number 7, the company issued 2500 debenture on 15th of February 2017. A Limited invited 1 lakh debenture of 9% each at a discount of 6%. राइट 1 लाख डिबेंचर इशू किए बेटा, 100 रुपए का एक डिबेंचर है, 6% डिस्काउंट पे, तो डिबेंचर की वैल्यू कितनी हो गई? 94. So the entry will be made for receiving the application money is bank account debit to debenture application account 1 lakh multiplied by 94 lakh, right? Then the debenture application allotment account debit 94 lakh, discount account debit 100 का डिबेंचर 94 में इशू हुआ तो 6 रुपीज डिस्काउंट है. डिस्काउंट अकाउंट डेबिट 1 लाख मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 6 लाख टू डिबेंचर अकाउंट 10 लाख, राइट. एंड इसी क्वेश्चन में बेटे पार्ट बी है कि आर लिमिटेड ने 10,000 डिबेंचर इशू किए, राइट. इसमें एप्लीकेशन और अलॉटमेंट हम कंबाइंड क्यों लिखते हैं बेटे? अगर डिबेंचर इंस्टॉलमेंट में ना इशू हो, एक ही बार में इशू हो, तो हम एप्लीकेशन और अलॉटमेंट को कंबाइंड फॉर्म में लिखते हैं. सो इस केस में डिबेंचर आर इशूड एट वैल्यू, at a total value, not in the installment. In this question, the second concept is R Limited issued 10,000 12% debenture 100 each at a discount of 5%. So the value of debenture is 100. 5 rupees is the discount. Total the value of debenture is 95 and company issued 10,000 debenture. So the एक ही बार में debenture issue है, no installment. Then the entry will be made. Bank account debit to 12% debenture application and allotment account 10,000 multiplied by 95. So the amount is 9,50,000 and the entry narration is application money received. After that, the entry will be made for the transfer of application money to the debentures. 12% debenture application allotment account debit 9,50,000. Discount account debit 1 lakh multiplied by 550,000. Right? 10,000 multiplied by 550,000. Right? To 12% debenture account 10 lakh. So student, this was the concepts of issue of debenture at a premium, example number 4 and example number 5. Then the concept is issue of debenture at a discount with the example number 8. I hope the concept is clear to you. Now you are able to do your back exercise question 8. This is your homework also. Thank you.